Now in exercise 3E, the first question is $2,538 to be added with 4,225. Now see, we need to add these two numbers. So 8 plus 5, how much? 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 is 3 carry 1. Now 3 plus 2, 5, and plus 1, 6. 5 plus 2, 7. 2 plus 4, 6. Okay, so in this way we will add. Carry number you write on the top of the top of this number. So here 8 plus 5, 13, 3 carry 1. Now 3 plus 2, 5, and then carry 1, 6. 5 plus 2, 7, 2 plus 4, 6. Okay. After question number 1, now let us go to question number 2. So what do we have in question number 2? See, 3,085 will be added with 2,468. Okay, 3,085 will be added with 2,468. Now 5 plus 8 again 13. 13 is 3 carry 1. 8 plus is 14 and carry 1. 15 carry 1. 4 plus 1 5 and 2 plus 2 5. Okay, so 5,553. Okay, so now after that let us see question number 5. What we have 2,735 will be added with 4,549. So now 9 plus 5, 14, 14 is 4 carry 1, 3 plus 4, 7 plus 1, 8, 7 plus 5, 12, 12 is 2 carry 1, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7. So what we have 7,284. After question number 5, now let us see question number 6. 3,692 will be added with 1,690. So 2 plus 0, 2, 9 plus 9, 18, 18 is 8, carry 1, 6 plus 6, 12 plus 1, 13, 13 is 3, carry 1, 6 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5. So what we will have after adding these two? 5,382. Okay. Now after question number 6, let's see question number 7. Okay. No, not 7. Let us do question number 10. So in question number 10, we have 6,997 will be added with 2,027. Okay. So now 7 plus 7, 14, carry 1, 9 plus 2 is 11, and carry 1, 12. 12 is 2, carry 1, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 is 0, carry 1, 6 plus 2, 8 plus 1, 9. So what we will have now? 9,024. Okay. So with this we have finished exercise 3E. Now let us have a small question answering session. I'm going to mute your mic. If you have anything to ask, you please ask. Don't speak all together. Say one by one. Okay. Now any issue? Or we can move to the next. We can move to the next exercise. That exercise 3F.
Sir, we move to the next exercise.
Very good, very good. Now see, in next exercise we have numbers. Okay,
Sir,
three numbers we have. Yes. Yes.
Sir, size, please.
Oh, yeah, size. Yeah. Now, can you see? Or I need to move more? Yeah. Now, is it clear?
Six, nine, nine, seven, six, nine, nine. I finish. Sir, my also finish. Sir, my also finished. Sir, my also finished.
Okay,
Sir,
very
my
good, very
also
good.
finished.
Okay, very good. Then let us move to the next exercise. Indeed, let us move to the next exercise.
Sir, I am finished.
Yeah, so I'm going to rub all these things and then we will move to the next exercise where we have 3 line numbers. Okay, in exercise 3F we will add 3 line numbers. Okay.
I move to the next exercise.
Now in exercise 3F, if you look into question number 1, see the numbers are 2362, then 2130, then we have 4110. Like, yeah, these are the numbers we need to add. So now, then 2 plus 0 plus 0, so the answer is 2. Yes, 6 plus 3 9, plus 1 10, then 0 carry 1. Now 3 plus 1 how much? 4, then 1 5 and 6 7. Here 2 plus 2 and 4 is 8. Okay. Yeah, just let me mute all of your mics. So now, so if we add all these numbers, what we will get? 8702. Okay, now if we do question number 3, so the numbers are 2126, then we have 4591 and 2121. So how to add all these things? Yeah. So now 6 plus 1 7 plus 1 8. Now 2 plus 9 11 plus 2 13. So 13 3 carry 1. Now 1 plus 1 2 plus 5 7 plus 1 8. 2 plus 4 6 7 8. So we have 8838. After question number 3, now let's see question number 5. 1357. Then we have 4501. We have 2111. Now if we add all this number, now we have 7 plus 1 8 plus 1 9, 5 plus 1 6, 5 plus 3 8 plus 1 9, 4 plus 1 5, 6 7. So the number is 7969. 7969. Okay. Now let's move to question number 6 now. So in question number 6, 1089, then 2890, then we have 3980. Now if we add all this, 9 plus 0 plus 0, so all this 9. Here 9 plus 8 is 17, 17 plus 8 is 25. 25 is 5. We have carry 2. Now 9 plus 8 is 17 plus 2 19. 19 is 9 carry 1. Now here we have 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 6 and 2 carry 1 we have 7. So what we will get 7,959. Okay, after question number 6, now let's move to question number 8. 8. So what we have in question number 8? 5,004. Then 2,999. Then we have 1,006. Okay. So now 6 plus 9 is 15 plus 4 19. Carry 1. 9 plus 1 10. 10 0 carry 1. 9 plus 1 10. 10 0 carry 1. Now 2 plus 1 3 plus 5 8 plus 1 9. So what we have? 9,009. After adding all these things, you get 9,009. After question number 8, now let's move to question number 10. Question number 10. So what we have in question number 10? We have 4,144. 4,144. Then we have 3,098. After 3,098, we have 1,921. So now add all these numbers. We have 8 plus 4 12 plus 1 13 33 carry 1. Now 4 plus 1 5. 5 plus 9 14. 14 plus 2 16. 16 6 carry 1. Now 1 1 2 and 9 is 11. 11 is 1 carry 1. 4 plus 1 5 plus 3 8 and 1 9. So what we have? 9,163. 9,163. Okay. So to do the next number, let me rub the board. So after question number 10, now let us do question number 12. So what we have in question number 12? 2,475, 3,507, and then 1,090. So let us add all this number. 5 plus 7 12, carry 1. 9 plus 7 is 16, plus 1 17, 17 7 carry 1. Now see 0, 5 plus 0 5, plus 4 9, plus 1 10, 10 0 carry 1. Now 3 plus 1 4, plus 2 6, and plus 1 7. Okay. So with this we have finished exercise 3F also. Those who fail to do the maths along with me, okay, since I rub some of the I have erased some of the maths, so you might think that how to do all these things. If you have missed, no need to worry, because I am going to send the same class recording, okay, same class recording to your WhatsApp number, to your WhatsApp group. So from that video, you can do these maths if you have any difficulties. And along with all these things, here I am showing only few of the maths. Rest of the maths you need to do at your home in your school copy. And again I am saying, if you have any difficulties to do this maths, please bring it in our notice in our next class. So when sir is talking, please hold for a second. When I'll give you chance, that time you just raise your hand and one by one you can speak. Don't be in hurry to speak. Okay?
Add on the group.
Now,
Add on the group.
what happened? Who is talking now?
Sir, side please. Side please.
Please one by one. Say who wants
Side
to
please.
Many of your mics are unmuted. Please mute your mic and speak one by one.
Add on the group. Sir, side, please.
Shubhodip.
Water. Side, please.
Okay, okay. Yeah. Now you have your site. Okay.
Side.
Yes.
Network problem.
Okay, Kulodeep, you please mute your mic.
Now give maps on the
Kulodeep,
group. Why do you always do it?
Kulodeep, you please mute your mic.
Not want to.
Pradipto Dotto, what happened? Pradipto Dotto.
How do you give maps on the group?
No, not in the book. All these maths you need to do in your school copy. I told you many times, all these maths you need to do in your school copy. Whatever maths, see, whatever maths has been done in the class, okay, maybe, see, before the vacation also we did know this maths. So where we did in our school copy, isn't it?
Yes.
So these maths, all these maths you need to do in your school copy. Okay. Anything else? Ezeka Tripura, what you are doing, sir? Please don't do all these things because see, you are in front of camera now. All can see you. Huh? We need to sit. We need to sit quietly and yeah. Okay, Pradipto, you please mute your mic if you have finished to speak. Pradipto, you please mute your mic. Okay, now Shantika. Yes, Shantika. Shantika, show.
Yes, sir.
I'm talking with Shantika, show. Shantika,
Yes, sir.
yeah, so your mic is on. You want to ask me any question? Do you want to ask any question? Shantika? No. Okay, then please mute your mic. Please mute your mic. No. Okay, then please mute your mic.
Mute your mic.
Okay, so anyone else? Ashmita Das. What happened, Saptoshi? Are you sleeping? Saptoshi. So, okay, you finished to do all the maths. Okay, good. Yeah, your mic, see, your mic is mute. I can't hear. Okay, Shubhadeep, yes. Shubhadeep, what happened? And why I can't see you, Shubhadeep? You please turn on your camera.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Shubhadeep, you raised a hand. You want to ask any question?
No, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Okay.
this is the last chapter.
Last chapter of what? Last chapter of
Maths
what?
half-yearly.
No. This is the first chapter of the half-yearly. Addition is the first chapter of your half-yearly syllabus. After addition, you have subtraction, multiplication, and division. Okay, and in this chapter, see, today we did exercise 3E and 3F. So with this, we have not finished. After 3F, we have 3G. Many exercises are there. 3G, H, I. Okay, so many exercises are there. We need to finish all these things. And after addition, we have subtraction, multiplication, and division also. Okay? Yes. Harshita. Yes, sir.
Yes. These are necessary right there.
Please speak loudly. I can't hear you properly. Please speak loudly, sir.
This all is math. We write their copy.
In school copy. In school copy, you need to write. You need to write all these maths in school copy. Not only these maths, which one has been shown by your sir, but the rest of the maths. See here, you can see sir has not done all the maths. See here, only few of the maths I did to show you how we can do these maths. Okay, rest of the maths you need to do by yourself. You need to practice. If sir will do in the blackboard, it will not be helpful for all of you. Maths you need to practice, sir. Only methods I can show you how to do these maths, and to show the methods, some of the maths I need to do in the blackboard. So I did, and I explained how we will add these numbers. Maybe it is 2 digit, 3 digit, 2 lines or 3 lines number. So I showed you how you can do. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Yes, sir.
okay. So see,
Yes,
these addition processes are very
sir.
okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. These addition processes are clear to you now. Do any one of you have any question how to do how to add and all these things? Do any one of you have any question? Vargav, your mic is not muted. Do you want to ask anything? Vargav Devnath.
No, sir.
Okay, Fiona. Yeah, please mute your mic if you don't have anything to ask. Fiona Bruthi, and all other. Prerna has not turned on the camera yet. In order to get your attendance, all of you need to turn on your camera because all the classes are being recorded and will be kept as your data. So you need to be present. It's not that only you will turn on the camera and just leave it. So please be careful, sir. Okay, please be careful. Okay. So with this, since we have finished today up to exercise 3F, next day we will start exercise 3G. Exercise 3G, which is based on word problems. Okay, so we will do some of the maths based on the word problems. So we will read the words, we will read the sentence. Yeah, just a minute. We will read all these things and then we will solve in our next class. Yes, Somojit. Sorry, Somraj. Yes, Somraj. Please unmute your mic first, Somraj. Unmute your mic first. I think network issue. Somraj bit. Ria Dash, do you want to ask anything?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please ask.
Sir, the class we will do in our school copy, no?
Yes, sir, I told you many times. All the maths, all the homeworks, all the tasks that is given to you, you need to do in your school copy. Yes, Somraj, speak.
Sir.
Yes, sir, speak no. Speak.
You go to the next exercise.
Somraj, you please speak loudly. Your voice is not clear enough. Please speak loudly. Pardon, sir, I can't hear you properly. Okay, so if all of you have finished your question answer, then today up to this much only. Okay, today up to this much only. Since we have last 10 minutes, within this 10 minutes, see, exercise 3G will not be enough. So we'll start our new exercise, that is exercise 3G from the next class. Okay, so in our next class, we'll start exercise 3G. Okay, and that's all for today. So with this, tata, bye. Anything to ask?
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Please do all the math. Yeah, please do all the math that you hope. Please do math.
Bye, sir.
Yeah.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir.